My opinion regarding this attack is that first of all, there's no place that Israel cannot go. I think it really gives us like a spying of where and what is the depth of what the Israeli capabilities are. I think all of our enemies should be afraid of what our capability can and should be, and I think that can ignite your imagination about all this James Bond operation. Personally, I'm afraid. I want the hostages to come back as fast as possible, and this kind of attack only furthers them coming back to us. We need to do everything that we can in order to bring them back, because there are Israel hostages right there in the tunnels, and we need everything to do to bring them back. So if this step will create war and escalation, it will only further the returning of the hostages home. And that's what we need to do. We need to return the hostages home right now, and personally, I want them home, and I'm afraid that this will only further things up.
The last news from Lebanon, and I think that they will show us what they have that we have never seen or felt what it is, because it will be a big punch. I think they have to show us what they have, because what they got now is something that it's a shame for them. And we reached almost everyone, of simple people and very important people, the VIP. So to hit the Iran ambassador in Lebanon, I think they won't forgive us.
Oh, but it's unbelievable, really. This is a remarkable achievement if it was Israel. And it's about time they will pay for what they've done and what they are doing to us in the northern border. I hope they will continue, because it's our brains against their muscles, and I think our brains will win.